Hello everyone, this is Nathan Hall. Welcome to our class on how to read graphic novels. The big thing here is not so much these arrows, it's more the terminology I want everyone to be familiar with, so we can standardize the way we discuss things, the way we talk about the motion, the way we talk about the lessons of the book itself. So here's some questions we'll discuss in live class. Why graphic novels? What's wrong with just novels? Since when did funny books become literature? And why should we care about the history stuff? So the big thing here is how we read them. So first, the definition. Have a great one here. Juxtapose pictorial and other images in deliberate sequence to convey information and or produce an aesthetic response on the reader. That's a lot. I prefer the second one here. Original book-length story and comic book style. So it's a monographic work, has pictures, story. It has a beginning, a finish. It's a medium, not a genre. This is the important thing here. There are many genres of graphic novel. We have superhero, manga, nonfiction, adaptation, satire, fantasies, and personal narrative. So the parts, yeah, that was pretty easy. So here we look at the flow, the images used together, the word balloons, panels. Panels are going to be a big thing as well. Thought balloons, not what the character outright says, what the character is thinking. Notice the little circles there and usually curly lines. So you can see our heroine talking about how to read. Your eyes go down. This happens when you read a newspaper too. Your eyes follow this sequence. If you look at a newspaper set up, you notice there's a big headline, to the left a picture, column, and so on. So it's a nested system. When you finish reading, you go to the next one. Here's another example, a little more action-packed. Excuse me. This time we have a sound effect, and the big word here is the gutter, the space between the panels, as we'll discuss in the future. Some artists will use gutters as a creative effect. Some artists will make things a little more interesting. Sometimes you have whole art without a panel. That's called a splash page. And here you can see the splash with the panels over it. And then the sound effects, the onomatopoeia, we'll look at as well. So in live class, we'll discuss how the visuals affect the way these pages make you feel. Notice the slanted angles conveying more motion here for Scott Pilgrim. And this one, just this one panel of the Sandman. Notice how strange the balloons are. Alright, that's it for now. Come to the live class if you have any questions. The goal here was just to make sure you know all the vocabularies, and there are activities due below. So just do your best and let me know if you have any concerns.